Contestant number 5, my question to you is, if you were to be an animal, what animal would you be and why?
Thank you for the question. If I were to be an animal, I would be an eagle because I want to fly high and seeing how they fly high and free in the sky. And also, there are vultures and eagles the same. The way they can hunt so quietly yet so gracefully, it shows me and inspires me a lot. So that would be my answer.
Should freedom of speech on social media have limits?
Can you please repeat the question?
Should freedom of speech on social media have limits?
Thank you for the question. According to me, yeah, they should have limits because the freedom of social media and speech is being used in the wrong way nowadays. Just because you have the freedom to say anything does not mean that you can say everything that you have in mind personally. You should think about what that decision of yours could do to people. Thank you.
Hello. Namin Jupitan.
Kim Jong-un from Science.
If you understand.
History.
Okay, then my question is, what motivated you to choose this course of field of study? What motivated you to choose this course or field of study?
What motivated me to choose this question is because in my 11th and 12th standard, I have my teacher who really motivates me, and then I love the subject and hard, and then because of that I took up history as my major paper. And being an UPSC aspirant, I think that to take up this history will cover up all of my majority of my syllabus. Thank you.
Can love and career go hand in hand?
Yes, I can. Because everybody we're human and love is always developed. It is an innate that we have been born with it, and it's not about all the relationship about the boys and girls now we're having. It's also about the love that our parents gave us and also the love that God gave us with it. And I think it can go hand in hand because I also take me as my example because though right now I'm not in a relationship, but I also can feel from some of my friends and also like within though I cannot keep it up with it, but love and education as they can go together because though right now I'm not in a relationship, but once I was in a relationship and I could think I could handle both because I couldn't let that love the relationship that I have with my man, that I couldn't let it eat me up because I have keep a specific time for my study, for my education, and yes, that is also the reason because my parents are also. I also think about my parents who has been supporting me thus far to get up to this stage, this position, and I think I could keep up with it because I could handle well because of all their supports too, and because of that I also really get a good marks in my class 12 examination. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You may please go back.